Hi everyone, my name is 𝗩𝗥𝗦𝗧𝗘, working for TTWCA Wildlife Conservancies Association, an organization that represents wildlife conservancies in the Tsavo landscape, and our mission is very simple: improving livelihoods through conservation and sustainable rangeland management. As TTWCA, we are seeking your support by participating in public voting to a project called Restoring and Protecting Marungu Hill Area. Marungu Hill Conservancy is a popular destination for tourists, hikers, and rock climbers due to its magnificent hills, beautiful landscape views, and cultural sites. On top of that, it's a key wildlife corridor. However, the area has been threatened by a number of factors which include charcoal burning, poaching, and also increase in invasive species. All these have resulted to biodiversity degradation. This is why we need your vote to restore and protect Marungu Hill area. For more information and voting for our project, please use the provided link. Thank you.